You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 6:30.
For over a year, people in Illinois who can't pay their rent have been able to stay in their homes. Governor Pritzker has extended the state's eviction moratorium month after month, but it's been unclear when the protection will run out. Target 3 investigator Renee Cooper is with us. Renee, you were able to get that answer after asking this week.
The Illinois Supreme Court did issue an order Thursday. Before that, lawyers and judges had no idea what to expect come next week. Here's the latest. Starting August 1st, evictions can be filed with the court again, and initial court hearing dates can be set. But no trials or eviction orders can be issued for another month. September 1st is the day all restrictions will be lifted.
There was no easy solution for either side in how to handle the pandemic and the problems that would have been created if people were turned out left and right of their homes. There was no easy solution.
The initial pause on eviction orders in the state dates back to April 2020, and since June of this year, landlords haven't even been able to file the paperwork with the court. Judge Olmstead tells me since there's no paperwork, there's no data on how many tenants are at risk, and since there's no data, officials have no idea how many eviction cases await them very soon.
And that's what scares us, right? As judges, we like to be able to see what's coming so that we can be prepared to make decisions under the law. And this is a situation where no one, not the landlord bar, not the tenant bar, nobody knows how big this volume is.
Associate Judge Brett Olmstead hears all of the eviction cases in Champaign County. In a pre-pandemic year, 2019, 725 evictions were filed. In 2020, with a moratorium, 386. In 2021 so far, 98.
But that is going to change. See, that's the fear.
Olmstead says this is coming fast, and tenants need to be prepared.
You can't deny that landlords have been carrying a heavy burden here for a long period of time.
Both parties are reaching a crossroads that will take place in this very courtroom. That's where Missy Greathouse comes in.
Mostly we're trying to help prevent homelessness.
Greathouse runs Dispute Resolutions, Inc. The Illinois nonprofit spends plenty of time in courtrooms like this, mediating disputes free of charge. And starting very soon, a trained mediator will be available for cases in the 6th Circuit.
So the purpose is to give landlords and tenants a chance to talk. At this point, there's going to be some heated emotions.
Even so, some, possibly a ton of people, will need to find somewhere else to go.
So if it's not staying in the home of the current rental situation, it's trying to work with them to get a good move-out date, make sure they move into another housing situation so they don't end up on the streets.
Now, Greathouse is confident mediation will make some difference. The 6th Circuit Court is in the process of passing a rule to allow for the program. In the meantime, Dispute Resolutions is taking cases outside of the court. That contact information is over on our website under the Target 3 tab. Back to you.
All right, Renee, thank you for that breakdown. Urbana City